Creative ideas for garden decoration, backyard patio, and landscaping. Transforming your garden, backyard patio, or landscape into a serene and visually appealing space can significantly enhance your outdoor living experience. Here are some creative ideas to inspire you. 1. Large stones. Utilize large stones to create natural focal points in your garden. You can create focal points. Place large stones strategically around the garden to create balance and visual interest. Natural seating. Use flat stones as natural seats, providing both durability and aesthetic appeal. 2. Colorful flowers. Use a variety of colorful flowers to bring life to your garden. Some ideas include classic flower garden. Plant traditional flowers like roses, hydrangeas, and lavender to create a vibrant garden. Seasonal garden. Choose flowers that bloom in different seasons to keep your garden fresh and ever-changing. 3. Stone pathways. Create stone pathways to guide visitors and connect different areas of the garden. Some ideas include natural stones. Use natural stones of various sizes and shapes to create winding, organic pathways. Grass in between. Alternate stones with grass or small ground cover plants to create a softer, harmonious look. 4. Water features. Water features not only beautify but also bring the soothing sound of flowing water to your garden. You can consider fish pond. Build a small fish pond with aquatic plants. Waterfall. Create a small waterfall that flows into a pond, serving as both a focal point and a water circulator. 5. Fire pit. An outdoor fire pit serves as the perfect centerpiece for family and friend gatherings. Try round fire pit. Use a round fire pit placed centrally to create a cozy atmosphere. Seating around the fire pit. Arrange sofas or stone benches around the fire pit for comfortable seating. 6. Outdoor sofa. Outdoor sofas provide comfort and are ideal for relaxation. Consider wooden sofa. Use wooden sofas with waterproof cushions for durability and a natural look. Wicker sofa. Wicker sofas with soft cushions are also a great choice for outdoor spaces. 7. Winding pathways with natural stone. Winding pathways paved with natural stone are both beautiful and inviting. Some tips include slate stones. Slate stones have a lovely color and texture, making them ideal for winding pathways. Mix different stones. Combine various types of stones to create unique and diverse pathways. 8. Relaxation and entertainment areas. Create relaxation and entertainment areas to enjoy your outdoor space. Ideas include barbecue area. Design a barbecue area with a grill and outdoor dining table for hosting barbecues. Relaxation zone. Place lounge chairs and small tables around the garden for reading, tea, or simply enjoying the view. By incorporating these elements, you can create a beautiful and comfortable garden, backyard patio, or landscape where you, your family, and friends can relax and enjoy memorable moments outdoors.